Way hey, so it's probably been a little while since you've seen my face, and maybe that's for better, maybe that's for worse, who's to know? But we've got to talk about this stock problem. This stock problem with the graphics cards, it's not getting better anytime soon, and I do have insider knowledge. I'm a nobody on YouTube, so why should I know? Well, I run a system integration business. I have accounts with pretty much all the major electronics retailers in the UK. They're all telling me the same thing. This is not going to get better anytime soon. I've been told June, I've been told August, I've been told October before things are anything close to normal. They said July is when things are going to start improving, not when they are better. Now, this is not good news, and I will throw you a bone and tell you what you can actually do about this later on in the video. But listen, I hate to say, actually, no, I don't hate to say I told you so. Everyone loves to say I told you so, don't they? I predicted this back when they launched. I said the stock is going to be bad. You're not going to get them. It's going to be a long time. I initially thought maybe the new year, but even that was wrong, wasn't it? Because here we are, February, still can't get the bloody cards. What's this caused by? Demand, low production, COVID, Brexit, everything. It's all come together, hasn't it? Everything has come together, including crypto mining. All just a coalescence of crap, isn't it? That's all come together at the same time. So yeah, we're not going to be seeing these graphics cards in stock in any meaningful way until the summer, unless they pull something out of a hat or something magically happens to get rid of all these problems, which it isn't really, is it? The vaccine's going to take a long time for everyone to get vaccinated, so that's not going away. It's going to be a long time. But there are solutions. So if an independent system integrator like me, who is just one person, if I can get maybe one 3080 a week, think how many CyberPower, iBuyPower, CCL, AWD, think about how many cards that they're getting to allocate to system integration. They're getting quite a lot. And I think it's time for people to swallow their pride and just buy a pre-built PC. There's nothing to stop you altering it if you don't like it, but I just feel that this is a cross that people are trying to die on at the moment, where I must build my own PC. I must buy the parts separately and do it myself. And I agree, PC building is really fun. It is. But is that worth waiting 6 to 8 weeks and paying £200 to £300 more if you're going to build it yourself? It doesn't make any sense. Time was, yes, build it yourself, it's cheaper. The times are different now. It makes much, much more sense just to buy a pre-built PC. Even if it's maybe £100 more than you would spend yourself, you've actually got it. You don't have to wait months to get it. And I don't know about you, I'd pay £100 to have a nice gaming PC for a few months and not have to wait and scrounge and make too many compromises. So, yeah, I mean, it's not a nice solution. I'm sure lots of people won't like it, but that is pretty much the only way you're going to get one, unless you want to pay somebody on eBay a ludicrous amount of money for it. And then, even then, you've seen in my old videos, they scalpers send out GPUs that don't even work. So, you know, there it is. Bleak news, but I just thought I'd show my face on the channel again because it's been a little while. If you like the video, please like it. Please comment. I like to get the juices flowing with a bit of conversation. So look forward to hearing your thoughts and opinions. As always, see you in the next video. Back to some usual content after this, I promise.